Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to our HTML training session. Today, we will discuss a very important concept called HTML responsive design. What is it, why it is important, and how can we make our website responsive? We will cover everything in today's session. Let's get started. What is responsive design? In HTML, in simple words, responsive design means your website look good on all devices, whether it's desktop, tablets, or smartphone. It means the website automatically adjusts itself to different screen size and shape. Why it is important? Let's talk about its important. Better user experience. Users can easily read and navigate your website without needing to zoom in or scroll sideways. SEO benefit. Search engine like Google rank responsive website higher, which help more people discover your site. Cost effective. You do not need to create separate website for different devices. A single website works across all devices. How to make your website responsive. Here are some key steps. Meta tag for viewport. First, you need to tell the browser to adjust the page width and scale according to device screen size. To do this, you include a viewport meta tag in the head section of your HTML document. This ensures that the website automatically adjusts to different screen size. Flexible grid layout. Divide your web page into column that resize accordingly to the screen width. Instead of using fixed width, percentage are used, allowing the layout to accept to different devices effectively. Now, as you can see, there are two columns, column 1 and column 2. Currently, these are placed into separate div. If I do not apply the float left property, you will notice that these two columns will appear one below the other. Each column take up 50% of width. For example, I have given the background color yellow to show this even though the columns are 50% wide. They are stretched virtually because the float left property is not applied. Now, I will use the float left property. Once applied, you will notice that both columns are side by side. I resize the screen, you will see the column adjusting themselves. This is how it's become responsive. Next, let's discuss media queries. Media queries. Media queries are a features of CSS that allow you to apply different style for different screen size. For instance, you can have a separate layout for mobile device and other for desktop screens. With media queries, you can specify style that work only for specified screen width. For example, if the maximum width is 600 pixels, the layout will adjust accordingly. In this case, you can make the column width 100% for smaller screens, ensuring it adjusts perfectly for mobile device. Currently, each column is taking 50% width at the initial stage, which is the desktop view. Each column occupies 50% of the total width, but at width below 600 pixels, each column will take 100% width. Responsive image. Responsive images are images that adjust themselves accordingly to the dimensions of these containers. This ensures they look good on all screen size. For example, when we use an image with an maximum width of 100% and width set to auto, it ensures the image scales properly without direction. When we open this in the browser and inspect it, you will notice how the image adjusts as we switch to mobile view. The image smoothly resizes itself as the screen width increase or decrease. This is how we make image is responsive. Let's take another example. We use another image named hinking. When opened in the browser, you will see the image adjust to 100% width by default. As we increase or decrease the screen size, the image adjusts automatically, maintaining its proper using CSS frameworks. Frameworks like Bootstrap provide pre-built style and components that help you quickly create a responsive website. They include predefined layout and utilize saving both time and effort. For example, by linking Bootstrap CDN and using its predefined classes like containers, row, and column small 6, you can easily create a responsive layout. In this step, two column will initially align side by side, but as the screen size decreases, the column will stack one value the other. So friends, this was an overview of HTML responsive design. Today, we will learn about the viewport meta tag, flexible grid layout, media queries, responsive images, and CSS frameworks like Bootstrap. If you want to know more, feel free to ask in the comments. Keep smiling and happy coding. Thank you.